traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 29th of September 2020 and currently time is 9:12 am. Now it's 9:13. Okay, so coming on to our watch list. So we are having Cipla, Hindalco, SBIN, Sun Pharma and Zeal in our watch list today. Okay traders, so I will be watching chart of each of these stocks, and when I will get any opportunity to trade I will update you. Okay traders, so now I am pausing the video. So traders, I am seeing an opportunity in Hindalco. As you can see here, it has given the breakout of this resistance. Okay traders, and now I am waiting for some good retracement, a retracement of 23% has been made, but I am waiting for stochastic RSI to give the signal. Okay traders, when it will come I will directly enter into the trade with market price. Okay traders, so let us wait, and when it will give the signal I will update you. So trader, it has given the signal, but I want to buy it with limit price of 171.65. So now I am placing with limit order, and the order has been placed. No, it is not. Okay, so order has been executed and placed. Okay traders, it is not yet executed because the prices need to come near our limit. Okay traders, so we will wait. As you can see here also it has given the signal, but okay, I am thinking that I might not get the trade with higher price, but okay, a limit order has been set. Okay, so our order got executed. Okay traders, so now we are waiting. Let's see what happens. Our target and stop loss, everything has been already decided, so we need not to think about anything. We will just wait for our target. Okay traders, so this is it. Now let me remove this. And let us lock it. Okay, so done. So now we will wait, and let's see if it's our target or stop loss. So traders, now I'm pausing the video, and when it will hit a target or stop loss I will update you. So traders, as you can see here, the price has given a good momentum towards our trade. So here I think that we should trail our stop loss. Okay traders, so here we will trail our stop loss below R2. Okay traders, so let us modify our stop loss, and yes, so it has been modified. So traders, I am doing this because we don't want to lose some amount of money. Either it's paper trade also, then also we want to gain some profit, so at least we can book half of the profit. So I have trailed the stop loss. Hope you got this logic, and now we are waiting for our target. So traders, today either we will be booking a full target or gaining some half of the profit, so need not to worry. Now I'm pausing the video, and when it will hit our uh, target, then update you, or our stop loss. So no worries for this today's trade. Now I'm pausing the video. So traders, as you can see here, the target was not triggered by just few points. So now I'm thinking that I can exit our trade with market price. So I'm just waiting. If now it is coming downwards without hitting our target, so I will exit my trade at market price. Okay traders, so let's wait some 1 or 2 minutes more, and then we will exit our trade. Okay traders, and our trailing stop loss was also good, as you can see here. Now waiting for our target. Just 1 or 2 minutes more traders, and our target will be hit. And if it's not hitting and trying to come again downwards, then we will exit our trade. That's simple. And now waiting, we are waiting, and there are many chances that it will hit our target only. So okay, some few minutes more. As you can see here traders, now it's 1:47 p.m. We are waiting for our target since morning. So let's see, some 2-3 minutes more. Okay, now it is going upward. Okay traders, you can see our target got triggered and got executed. So traders, finally we booked a profit after 5-6 continuous loss. Now what we have to do trader is that we have to keep practice this trading setup and have to gain mastery in it. We have to master this trading setup and this process so that we can become a good trader, and our accuracy should also get increased. Okay traders, now let me tell you the today's logic which I was using. So the trading setup was simple. I made two support and resistance price, as you can see here, and when it gave a breakout of this support, a breakout of this resistance, okay traders, I waited for the retracement, and here, which was 23% retracement, I entered into a trade, and my target was some points below the resistance. Okay traders, so this was simple trading strategy which I used, and I have to practice it some more times, and soon we will be trading with real money. So that was today's paper trading traders. Now let us calculate our today's profit. Okay traders, so as you can see here, our total profit points were 3.95 and the quantities were 30. So today's profit is 118.5 rupees. Okay traders, so this was today's trade. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from my trade. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.